I just cried right now. You see that I'm a piano dance para lang. I have very bad comments that's why I cried. They say, why are you so unfair? We can't make videos, but I literally subscribe and like and follow everybody, but they doesn't. You know what? I'm gonna close this account because I have no views, no comments, no likes, no subscribers. I know that 4 things, and they don't do all on my videos. They didn't even use my sound. 5 things. They don't use my sound. They don't subscribe me. They don't like me. They don't comment on my videos. They don't view my videos. It's so unfair, but I must do all of that on the videos. It's so unfair. I'm gonna post this video and say it to everybody. But that one who doesn't subscribe me, that one is gonna watch the video and please like and subscribe to all what I did say now. And don't comment bad, guys. Please, please, please. I'm begging you. I wanna go on live. I wanna make you guys proud. And I'm watching your live when you're making lives. And then I'm saying, I am so proud of you. And some of that. But I have a friend. It's a girl. She subscribed me. She view my video, she do all of that. But guys, please, I'm begging you. I only have 1 subscriber because that is my YouTube friend that do that. So guys, please do all what I just said. All. If you don't do that, I will unsubscribe you. And delete my comments, delete my views, delete all of I did on your videos. When you're living twice